Another topic, speed. Suppose you are walking or you are running, you are having speed. All moving objects, they are having speed. Speed can be defined as the distance traveled divided by the time taken. In simple words, we can say speed equal to distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. What speed measures? Speed measures how fast you are going. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. Let us take one small example. Let us see the example here. Mary ran 200 meters in 40 seconds. Calculate her speed. So to calculate the speed, you have to divide the distance by time. So here the distance is given 200 meters and time is in 40 seconds. So you divide 200 divided by 40, you will get 5 meters per second. So 5 meters per second is the Mary speed. It means in 1 second Mary covered 5 meters. If you understand that example, try to solve this example. Calculate the speed of the car between A and B in meter per second. You try to calculate the speed of the car in meter per second. I hope you can do that. Now let us see another small concept, average speed. There is small difference in between speed and average speed. Speed formula, distance by time, but average speed is defined as the total distance by total time taken. Again, see the definition carefully. Average speed is defined as total distance divided by total time taken. Its units also meter per second. Let us understand this with this small example. The example is calculate the average speed of runner. See this diagram. The time interval is given. The runner covered distance is also given. At 9:30 he is already at 10 meter. At 9:40 he is at 15 meter. At 9:50 he is at 18 meter. At 10 o'clock he is at 25 meter. At 10:10 am he is at 30 meter. At 10:20 am he is at 45 meter. So different timings he is covered different distances. To calculate the average speed, we need two things. One is total distance. Second one is total time. Now, to calculate the total distance between 9:30 to 9:40 am, how much distance he covered? For that, what you can do? You have to subtract 15 meter minus 10 meter, you will get 5 meter. Similarly, from 9:50 to 9:40 am, how much distance he covered? In 10 minutes, he covered 3 meter. And another 10 minutes, he covered 7 meter. And another 10 minutes, he covered 5 meter. And last 10 minutes, he covered 15 meters. Now, you add all the distances. If you can add all the distances, the total distance equal to 35 meter, and you add all time interval, so the total time equal to 50 minutes. Now you substitute in the formula average speed equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So 35 meters divided by 50 minutes, we have to write in terms of the seconds. That's why you need to multiply with 60, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. If we divide these two, you will get a value, very small value, 0.011 meter per second. So this is the way to calculate the average speed.